8th month of pregnancy. Diet wise, it remains more or less the same as told in the previous month, like adding ghrita or the ghee in the diet, adding the mamsarasa, adding shastika shali, that is a typical variety of rice which can be used by the mother. But the specific procedure which I told you in terms of vihara or in terms of procedure, also there has been some advice during pregnancy, that is Asta Apanabasti, that is the enemas that are being advised in the 8th month. This typically helps in bringing about the natural labor. So these are the processes that, as Ayurveda has mentioned, which helps the mother towards a natural labor. So in this, there is a enema which is being advised to be given through the rectal route. This has to be done under the medical advice and properly prepared medication which has been advised. There are certain drugs which has been advised which helps in clearing the accumulated stool, but also more than that does the vatanulomana. That is what is the major factor which brings in the natural labor. So from the 8th month onwards, the focus turns towards sukha prasava or the natural labor.